More than 100,000 people packed into the Champ de Mars racecourse to witness the coming of independence. Sir John Shaw Rennie, former governor and now Governor-General of the nation, arrived. It was a time for celebration. There was little sign of the trouble feared between the Muslim and Creole communities of Port Louis, the capital. This was a festive occasion. Sir John and Prime Minister Sir Siwusaga Ramgoolam went to their places for the ceremony of the flags. After a century and a half of British rule, the Union Jack was being lowered for the last time on this island in the Indian Ocean. This was the moment they had waited for. To the roar of the huge crowd, a Mauritian policeman hoisted the flag of the new independent Mauritian nation. The symbolic handover of power had been carried out. Mauritius had severed its connections of reliance with Britain. The island in the sun was now free to decide its own destiny. Independence was theirs.